All right, hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Paul C. Tiarina. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner, lifestyle and performance coach, creator and founder of the SHT, which stands for SuperHuman Transformation, and we have empowered 2,683 people here in Las Vegas and worldwide with health and the happiness that comes with health. Now, you might be saying to yourself, how the heck is that possible? And in fact, it's more than that, because every week we have corporate accounts signing up. We have individuals and families joining our community, transforming their lives. Now, the reason this is possible is because the SHT is a methodology, a system, and a community of support. Inside this amazing community, you have access to everything that you need to know to be healthy, including real food nutrition, optimizing sleep, learning how to meditate and commit to a mindfulness practice, along with a lot of other things. There's over 18 different courses that we keep adding to it that are all designed to give you education, experience, and the support of others as you're learning this powerful information. Inside this community, we're going to teach you how to use the education, experience, and support that you've received to achieve your daily goals and to achieve the most amazing life possible. In this community, we will teach you how to balance body, mind, and spirit, again, through the powerful foundations of real food nutrition, optimizing sleep, meditation and mindfulness practices. And we also teach you about things like simplifying life through minimalism, disconnecting, getting outdoors in nature, and reconnecting, and natural movement. Every single one of these foundations matter if you're trying to achieve happiness through optimal health, and we will teach you about every single one of them. Now, inside this community, I will be available personally to talk to you, plus we have the support of all our other community members. This is the ultimate game changer because you will have education with the right knowledge, you will gain experience through the classes that you learn about, and you will have the support of other people. Literally everything that you need to know to make a life change, including the support of other people, is going to be inside this community. Now, for a limited time, I want to give you the opportunity to experience the power of this amazing community of education, experience, and support by giving you a 7-day free trial with no commitment whatsoever. But I promise you, once you get inside there, you will never want to leave because it's so freaking amazing. We cannot wait to see you in there.